This is Honda's futuristic Zero Series SUV, a concept turned reality that's set to arrive in 2026. It's not just another electric crossover. This SUV represents Honda's reset button, a fresh beginning designed from the ground up as an EV, with a completely new platform, new design language, and new vision for mobility. Honda calls this lineup the Zero Series because they're going back to zero. Instead of recycling existing cars into electric versions, they've created a platform made purely for EVs. And the SUV is at the heart of it. It's larger, bolder, and more practical than the saloon. Think of it as Honda's showcase of how family cars will look and feel in the next era. Honda's design philosophy for this SUV can be summed up in 3 words: thin, light, wise. It's designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance. From its sleek headlights to the clean roofline, every part of the SUV screams aerodynamics. Even though it's a big SUV, Honda has focused on lightweight materials to reduce energy consumption and maximize range. With smart features and AI that adapt to you, making it more than just a car, it's a partner on the road. The result? An SUV that looks futuristic without being too extreme. It's modern enough to feel fresh, but still practical for daily life. The Honda Zero Series SUV has a commanding stance with futuristic touches, a bold LED front fascia with a continuous light bar that signals its EV identity, hidden door handles, and smooth surfaces that keep airflow clean, sculpted sides that make it look agile despite its size, large wheels that balance style with stability. It doesn't look like a recycled gas SUV. It looks purpose-built as an electric flagship. And Honda's reset becomes even clearer. The cabin is stripped down to essentials, following a minimalist style with futuristic tech. A panoramic display stretches across the dashboard, handling navigation, entertainment, and real-time driving data. The steering wheel is compact, with touch-sensitive controls. Voice and AI controls replace dozens of buttons. The flat EV floor creates more legroom, giving the interior an open, lounge-like feel. Honda wants this SUV to feel less like a machine and more like a digital living. Space on wheels. Here's where things get futuristic. The Honda Zero Series SUV will feature an intelligent AI system that learns your habits. If you usually drive home at a certain time, it can precondition the cabin before you even step in. If you're stressed, it can adjust the lighting and suggest a calmer route. And if your battery is running low, it can plan charging stops automatically based on your schedule. This SUV isn't just reacting to commands, it's predicting your needs. Of course, performance matters. While exact specs are still under wraps, Honda has teased that the SUV will deliver longer range and faster charging thanks to their new e-architecture platform. Reports suggest it could charge from 15% to 80% in around 15 minutes, which is nearly as fast as Tesla's supercharging speeds. This makes it practical for road trips, not just city driving. And with Honda's focus on efficiency, you can expect it to be competitive with the best in the segment. No futuristic SUV is complete without advanced driver assistance, and Honda is pushing hard here. The Zero Series SUV comes with Honda Sensing 360, an upgraded suite of sensors and cameras that give full 360-degree awareness. Features include automatic lane changes, adaptive cruise with AI-driven decision-making, highway self-driving under level 3 conditions. That means in certain scenarios you can literally let the car handle itself while you relax, though it still keeps you in the loop for safety. If you're enjoying this breakdown of Honda's futuristic Zero Series SUV, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps us bringing you the latest in tech and innovation. Sustainability. A smarter kind of green Honda isn't just making this SUV electric, they're making it sustainable from the ground up, is focusing on eco-friendly materials for the interior, like recycled fabrics, bio-based plastics, and lightweight composites. Even the paint process has been redesigned to cut emissions. And since EV batteries are often criticized for their environmental impact, Honda is working on new battery chemistry and recycling methods to reduce waste. The goal is simple: make a futuristic SUV that's not only clean on the road, but also cleaner in the way it's built. One of Honda's key selling points with the Zero Series SUV is how it transforms from just a vehicle into an extension of your lifestyle. The car can sync with your calendar, reminding you of appointments and planning your route automatically. It can connect with smart homes, adjusting your thermostat, or turning off the lights as you leave. The voice assistant feels less like a tool and more like a companion, adapting over time to your preferences. For Honda, this SUV isn't about horsepower numbers or flashy gimmicks. It's about making the car fit seamlessly into your daily life. Now, how does this SUV stack up against its competitors? Tesla Model Y is currently the benchmark in the EV SUV segment, with strong range and software. Honda is aiming to compete directly here by offering similar range but faster charging times. Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Kia EV6 have proven that futuristic design and practicality can go hand in hand. Honda's SUV is styled just as boldly, but brings Honda's unique touch in AI and user experience. Toyota BZ4X shares the Japanese heritage, but Honda wants to push further with tech-focused interiors and more advanced autonomy. In short, this SUV isn't just another EV. It's Honda's attempt to jump straight into the top tier of electric SUVs. The Zero Series SUV isn't launching alone. Honda plans to build an entire lineup of Zero Series EVs, all based on the same new platform. This SUV acts as the family-friendly flagship, while future models could expand into compact cars, sedans, and maybe even new electric sports cars. Honda has also announced plans to sell only electric vehicles globally by 2040, and this SUV is one of the first major steps in that journey. So, why should we care about another electric SUV? Because this isn't just another EV. For Honda, it's a chance to reinvent themselves. While brands like Tesla, Hyundai, and BYD dominate today's EV market, Honda has been relatively quiet. The Zero Series SUV is their loud statement. We're here, and we're serious. It shows that Honda isn't just trying to keep up. They're aiming to leap ahead with design, intelligence, and charging performance. Think about it. In just a few years, family SUVs like this could drive themselves on highways, talk to your smart home, and charge faster than it takes you to grab a coffee. Honda's Zero Series SUV is a real-world preview of that future. It blends practicality, technology, and style into something that feels both futuristic and achievable. This is more than just a car. It's Honda's vision of how driving, living, and technology will merge by 2026. The Honda Zero Series SUV is bold, futuristic, and loaded with innovation. From its sleek aerodynamic design to its AI-powered interior, lightning-fast charging, and advanced safety, it's clear that Honda isn't holding back. It may be just the beginning of the Zero Series, but it already shows Honda's determination to redefine themselves in the electric era. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.